We have acoustic gigs, we have electric gigs, and then I put here kind of like a downsized version of the electric gigs. Hi, I'm Joanna Jose Glass from the rock band Glasspirits. Hi and welcome. I'll start off right away by letting you know that I won't be going over any philosophies or basic mechanics about the bullet journal. There's plenty of videos on the internet and I'll leave a link up here. Instead, this video will talk about specific spreads, which are dedicated pages in the bullet journal that have an intended purpose. Okay, and then so it's good to have and think about employees. It would be my dream to have a social media manager, a video editor, a videographer. But sometimes I think for now we might shoot something and maybe hopefully in the future hire a video editor. But yeah, in the future it would be good to have all these people. I'm putting temp because I think maybe we could hire someone for to run our campaigns. For gigs, there should be someone at the merch table who's there while we're playing. And then roadies. Yeah, roadies are the ones who help us with our gear, help us with setup, and yeah, that's really important. And here I'm going to put, our manager, our lawyer, all that stuff. All right, and so here I have a gig pack list. I have three kind of categories. We have acoustic gigs, we have electric gigs, and then I put here kind of like a downsized version of the electric gigs. Because sometimes we play smaller stages, or we're in a radio station, which is quite small. So it depends what situation we're in where we can't bring the whole shebang. Okay, so on this column, I put all of our instruments, my instruments, Abe's instruments, and also stuff that we need for our merch table. We should always be bringing our CDs, t-shirts, our business cards, a mailing list, the square reader so we can accept a credit card payment, and a banner with a stand and snacks and water. I feel like that's also really important to have where we're on a time crunch. We have to set up, but we don't have time to go out and get a full meal. I mean, Abe and I don't like having big meals before we play anyway, but sometimes it helps to have a meal bar so we're not too hungry. I'm going to put in the description links to the other videos of the other spreads, or you can watch the long video which has timestamps of the individual spreads. And please share this video with anyone you think might be interested in starting a bullet journal. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That's really going to help a small channel like ours. Thank you so much. But wait, there's more. Go ahead and click on the video below to hop to the next part or to the related video. Or if you're eager to check out my band Glasspirits' music, go to the videos here.